The color saturation is exceptional at 18 years.
Indeed, the oak is integrating perfectly.
Here, the spirit ages gracefully, transforming within the finest Mizunara oak. These barrels contain the oldest reserve. The sensors indicate optimal temperature and humidity across all 7 levels. The moisture content looks optimal on this batch.
Agreed. The flow rate is perfectly steady.
Look at the texture on this grist.
The separation from the husk is near perfect.
Here at the heart of the distillery, the giant steel rollers begin the milling process, carefully breaking the husk to reveal the starch within.
The purity of this intake is unmatched.
Absolutely, it sets the foundation for everything we do here.
The flow rate is optimal today.
Yes, the crystal clear source is exceptionally cold this season.
This barley here, it's the heart of everything we do. You can feel the quality in the weight of the grain.
Take a sample from the center rake.
Specific gravity is reading 1.055, right on target. The clarity of the distillate at this stage is crucial for the final product.
Absolutely. The copper contact enhances the flavor profile significantly.
The Krausen is rising quickly. We're seeing excellent yeast health here.
And the color of the liquid beneath is perfect amber.
Look at the texture right there. That's exactly what we want to see.
Absolutely. The yeast is incredibly healthy.
The fermentation is progressing faster than the last batch.
The activity near the center is quite vigorous. Let's monitor the temperature closely.
The pressure on still 5 is stabilizing right on target.
Good. We should maintain this flow rate for the next 3 hours.
Welcome to the future of distillation. Our master distillers carefully monitor the process.
Here, the master distiller cuts the feints, ensuring only the purest hearts are collected for aging in the oak barrels.
The clear spirit being pumped into the dark oak barrels, frothing slightly at the bunghole. The clear spirit being pumped into the dark oak barrels, frothing slightly at the bunghole. The beauty of the aging process accelerated. The deep char as the wood darkens over time.
The rich, amber liquid, aged for 18 years, swirls beautifully as the high-speed nozzles ensure
Precision is everything when crafting something truly exceptional, like Chivas 18.
The volumetric sensors are reading stable.
Good, the fill levels look perfect on this batch.
That's the last pallet for hold 4. Confirm the seal.
Confirmed. The shipment is ready.
Here at the nexus of tradition and tomorrow, the immense scale of our operation ensures
In this giant-scale distillery, every drop of the vibrant golden liquid is perfected by our master distillers.